Come on, bird. You eat. You eat the bread. Come. See, they are eating bread.
Oh, she got the wings. I want to do it.
Yeah. Come on, bird. Let's eat. I give you bread. Come on.
Huh?
Oh, they are coming, Arya.
Huh?
Look, there's a lot of bird in here.
Eh?
We are in the park now. We are feeding the bird.
Is that good?
Super saya ng alaga ko. Look at them, Arya. Come on, feed more. Finish.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, bird.
I'm finished. I finished. I finished.
Oh, they are coming now, Arya. Ooh. Come on. We share your bread. Come on, bird. Hey, look, there's a lot of them. Oh, no fighting. No fighting, bird. Just eat.
Give to me.
Wait.
Because I don't know. Give.
Okay, you little by little so they can eat.
What about it?
Yeah. And you need to throw there so they can eat it. They cannot come nearly to us. Come on, bird. Let's eat. Ang daming bird.
You want that?
You want that? Bird? Oh. No fighting. You just eat. Look, you have a lot of bread in here. He doesn't want to eat. Come on.
Come on, Dad.
You need to eat.
Bed here. Here.
Bird, come here. You say, bird, come here.
Bed. Come here. I'm here. Eh? Yep. There. Oh, Dad. No. See? Bobby? See?
Good job, Arya. You share your bread.
Now give.
Okay, wait. Okay, last one. And no more. You eat it.
Oh, okay. This one.
Come on, bird. Come on, come here. I think they are scared, Arya, to closer to us. To come to us.
Wait there.
No, don't go there. They are gonna fly. If you go there, they're scared.
But can I go to park, please? You need to find this. I need to go, please.
Where you gonna go?
I'm gonna go to the
There.
sorry, I cannot fight, please.
Yeah, no fighting. What are you doing? Don't catch it.
No, I'm gonna go to the park. Can you find it?
Okay, guys. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, Princess Morena. Thank you. Bye-bye.